Welcome back to World Bike 55. Today we're looking at a motorcycle that takes the idea of an extreme naked bike and pushes it into an entirely different league, the 2027 MV Agusta Brutale 1000 ABT. This is not simply a powerful street motorcycle. It is a limited production machine created through a collaboration between Italian motorcycle design and German high-performance engineering. With only 130 individually numbered examples planned worldwide, the Brutale 1000 ABT immediately stands out because MV Agusta has focused on much more than engine performance. The motorcycle combines a sophisticated 998cc four-cylinder engine, premium electronically controlled Öhlins suspension, forged wheels, extensive carbon fiber components, advanced rider electronics, and a highly exclusive design. The result is a machine designed to appeal not only to riders looking for speed, but also to collectors who appreciate engineering and craftsmanship. Let's start with the engine, because this is where the Brutale 1000 ABT becomes seriously impressive. At its heart is a 998cc inline-four, four-stroke, 16-valve engine using DOC technology, radial valves, and DLC-treated tappets. The engine has a 79mm bore and a 50.9mm stroke, with a high 13.4:1 compression ratio. In standard specification, the engine produces a claimed 201 horsepower at 13,500 revolutions per minute and 116 Nm of torque at 11,000 revolutions per minute. Those numbers place the Brutale 1000 ABT firmly among the most powerful naked motorcycles available. The engine is designed to keep building power as the revs climb, giving the motorcycle a character that rewards smooth and precise throttle control. Instead of relying only on huge displacement, MV Agusta extracts tremendous performance from a relatively compact four-cylinder package. There is also a dedicated kit that takes the machine even further, with the dedicated EQ map and racing-oriented components. Claimed output rises to 208 horsepower at 14,000 revolutions per minute. The kit includes an aero titanium 4-line slip-on exhaust and other special equipment. MV Agusta specifies that the racing configuration is intended for racing use, so the standard road specification remains the appropriate reference for normal road riding. Performance figures are equally dramatic. MV Agusta lists a claimed 0 to 100 km/h time of approximately 3.15 seconds and 0 to 200 km/h in about 8.30 seconds, with maximum speed exceeding 300 km/h under closed course testing conditions. These figures show just how seriously the Brutale 1000 ABT approaches performance. But raw horsepower is only one part of the story. The motorcycle uses a 6-speed cassette-style transmission and MVE's 4.0 electronically assisted quick-shift technology for upshifts and downshifts. This allows rapid gear changes while helping the rider maintain concentration on braking, corner entry, and acceleration. The wet multi-disc assist and slipper clutch adds another important layer of control. The slipper mechanism helps manage aggressive downshifts, while the assist function keeps clutch operation more manageable. Combined with the quick shifter, the drivetrain is built around fast and controlled riding rather than simply producing a large horsepower number. MV Agusta also gives the engine sophisticated electronic management. The MVX 2.1 system works with ride-by-wire throttle control, multiple torque maps, 8-level traction control with an offsetting, wheelie control, and an inertial measurement unit. This technology helps translate the engine's enormous performance into something the rider can manage more precisely. The chassis is equally important. At the center is MV Agusta's distinctive chrome molybdenum steel tubular trellis frame. It provides the motorcycle with the visual identity that has become closely associated with the Brutale family while also creating a rigid foundation for the suspension and engine. The rear swing arm uses aluminum alloy, and the swing arm pivot height can be adjusted. That is a particularly interesting feature for riders who want to fine-tune chassis behavior. Even small changes in geometry can influence how a motorcycle responds to acceleration, braking, and cornering, so this level of adjustability demonstrates how focused the ABT is on serious performance. Then we reach one of the motorcycle's biggest technical highlights, The electronically controlled Öhlins suspension. At the front is an Öhlins neck-sec upside-down fork with a 43 mm diameter and tin surface treatment. Compression and rebound damping are electronically controlled, while spring preload is manually adjustable. The front suspension offers 130 mm of wheel travel. At the rear, the motorcycle uses an Öhlins ABT progressive shock absorber. Like the front fork, it provides electronic control of compression and rebound damping. This means the motorcycle can offer highly sophisticated suspension behavior while allowing the rider to tune the setup according to riding conditions and preferences. There is even an Öhlins electronically controlled steering damper. It can operate in electronic manual and automatic adjustment modes, adding another layer of chassis control. Braking hardware is just as serious. The front features twin 320 mm floating discs combined with Brembo Stylema 4-piston radial calipers and a Brembo radial master cylinder. At the rear is a 220 mm steel disc with the Brembo 2-piston caliper. The braking system is supported by Continental's MK100 ABS system with cornering functionality and rear wheel lift mitigation. That electronic assistance is particularly valuable on a motorcycle with this level of performance. Cornering ABS uses information from the motorcycle's sensors to help manage braking when the machine is lean over, while rear wheel lift mitigation adds another safety layer during hard braking. The wheels are another area where the ABT specification moves beyond an ordinary motorcycle. Forged aluminum wheels are used to reduce weight and maintain high rigidity. The rear wheel is paired with a carbon fiber rim cover, adding both visual drama and an emphasis on reducing unnecessary mass. The tire sizes are 120/70 at the front and an enormous 255 at the rear. The design is perhaps the strongest reason this motorcycle will attract attention even when its engine is switched off. MV Agusta has always been known for combining performance engineering with Italian styling, and the Brutale 1000 ABT takes that philosophy to an extreme. The motorcycle's visual theme combines metallic carbon black with fire red details. The dark carbon style surfaces give it an aggressive technical appearance, while the red accents add contrast and emphasize the performance character. The collaboration with ABT also gives the motorcycle a distinct identity compared with the standard Brutale. Carbon fiber is used extensively. Components include sections around the airbox, side panels, tank panels, underseat panels, front spoiler, heat shields, engine covers, projector covers, and other bodywork elements. This extensive use of carbon fiber is not simply about making the motorcycle look expensive. Reducing weight in different areas can contribute to handling response, acceleration, and braking behavior. On a motorcycle producing more than 200 horsepower, controlling mass is just as important as increasing power.